Alright guys, so now we're going to look at this question. How can we use the technique of rewriting formulas to solve real-world problems? In other words, how can we apply this technique of rewriting formulas and solving literal equations to real-world problems? So for our fourth example, that's exactly what we're going to practice right now. So looking at our fourth example, you own a rectangular lot that is 500 feet long. It has an area of 100,000 square feet. And to pay for a new water system, it costs $5.50 per square foot of width. So to illustrate what this word problem is telling us, we have a lot, rectangle, and we know that our length is 500. We don't know what our width is, so we're just going to call it W. And we know that our area is 100,000 square feet. Now this question is going to have two parts. So first we need to find the width of our lot. So we have area of a rectangular lot. We know that area is length times width. So I'm going to go ahead and write that. Area is length. And we want to find the width. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in a different color. So area equals length times width. Remember, a constant and a variable right next to each other, or in this case, a variable and a variable right next to each other, will always indicate multiplication. We want to isolate this W. So to undo the multiplication that's happening, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by L. The L and the L is going to give us a 1. So we're left with A divided by L is going to give us width. At this point, go ahead and pause the video. Is this right here, A over L equals W, is that the width of our lot, or do we need a number? Do we need our width in terms of variables or in terms of numbers? So when we are finding the width of our lot, we need that in numbers. So the way that we're going to find our width is we're going to go ahead and plug in what we know for A and L. So we know that A is 100,000 square feet. So wherever we have A, we can go ahead and put 100,000. And we know that L, it says our lot is 500 feet long. So we know that L is 500. So using a calculator, 100,000 divided by 500 means our lot, the width of our lot, is 200 feet. Now moving on to our second part of the question. Now that we know the width of our lot, it's asking us how much will it cost for our new water system. So how much will it cost for the new water system? We know that the total cost is going to be $5.50 per square foot of width. So in other words, the total cost equals $5.50 for every foot of width. And we know that we have 200 feet of width. So where we have W, I'm going to go ahead and put 200. And again, using my calculator, I'm gonna find out that my total cost for the water system is gonna be $1,110 or $1,100. Again, you can rewind this video and rewatch it as many times as you need. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know and I will help you through it.